chocolate milk, strawberry milk. And then we got the pigs rolling in the mud. Oh, so messy, messy, messy.
Jo Ann Gramlich is a speech-language pathologist at ECMC Peds. She's also an aunt to 12 nieces and nephews.
Little trees.
So she knows a thing or two about the importance of keeping an open dialogue with kids at all ages.
The majority of learning takes place during daily routines within the home from birth through 5.
In 2014, she wrote her book, Talk, Play, and Read with Me, Mommy.
Crunching.
During the pandemic, she saw an opportunity to write a new chapter for learning.
A lot of the activities are taking place within the home instead of at school. So it's an opportunity for parents to provide that emotional support, the self-esteem, the safety net.
This time, the lessons are geared toward dads.
There's so many different dynamics. So the point is to get all parties involved.
Gramlich has taken verbal activities, games, and any ideas she's learned along the way and written a roadmap, if you will, that you can take anywhere.
The book, pretty much, it's set up like a recipe book. It tells you exactly what you need, how to get there, what to look for, sample dialogue that you would expect for your child at certain ages.
Gramlich says beyond the book, just make time for your kids, at least 15 to 20 minutes a day to talk, read, or play. She says it's as simple as taking them into the kitchen and walking them through baking cookies, mixing up some memories along the way. Get your hands on Jo Ann's books. Just head on over to our website, our Spectrum mobile app. That's where we'll have everything you need to know. In Amherst, I'm Breanna Fuss, Spectrum News.